Ooh, y'all hear that? Alright, so we're gonna be sleeping in the truck tent. We just bought this baby.
Yeah, you definitely have shit on your foot. You definitely have shit on your foot.
Ain't about me average. I just pick up the phone, keep counting and adding, keep counting and stacking.
Today, as you can tell from the title, we are here with the truck camping video for the first time. We just got all packed up and we finna head out. If you're not already subscribed, hit the subscribe button to see more of our lifestyle and way of living. And also hit that like button so our video can get shown to more people. We'll see y'all when we get there.
Peace. Alright, y'all, so we finally made it to the campground.
We camping in the woods this weekend. We had to ride through the woods to get here. And we seen some horses on our way in.
We decided that we're gonna do a little bit of fishing before we set up camp. So the first step when you fishing, find you a little spot in the cut. I like to fish where there's no one else at.
This is what we fishing with.
Chicken livers. I got a little shrimp too. Alright. Bait up.
Probably gonna get touchy on this shit. Fuck it.
So you see how it's gonna hang in the water? The weight gonna drop down and it's gonna be hanging off to the side like that. Let's see what you got, babe. Fishing is a freaking patience game. Sometimes we come out here, we catch a lot of fish, and then sometimes we catch none. But for video purposes, I hope we catch none. Yeah. We just got in and we already fucking snagged. Avery's came out, but mine didn't.
This right here be the suckiest part about fishing whenever your hook get stuck on the bottom of the lake. Cause it's either you gotta lose your setup, cut your line, or try to get it out. And right now, I'm trying to get it out. Oh!
Alright, so we had no luck at all. We tried
Everything.
lures, we tried some fake bait, and we tried some chicken liver for the catfish, and we didn't catch anything. But we got to check into the campground at 4, so we're gonna go ahead and leave and go ahead and get everything set up. You know, it's all good. I told you in the beginning, some days you're gonna catch stuff and some days you're not.
And today we did not.
We'll be back at it though. Alright, so we're gonna be sleeping in the truck tent. We just bought this baby. Whew, took us long enough. This is huge. Oh man, guys, this is amazing. Back it up. Oh, this hurt. Like we literally have so much space. Oh. Got a little mud on it.
Oh, baby.
I see us. Y'all see how we coming? That's my shit.
This one shit.
I got shit on my foot.
You see?
I look like shit.
Oh yeah, you definitely have shit on your
That's
foot.
shit.
You definitely have shit on your foot.
It smells like shit.
Oh my god! Ah, you put that shitty foot in our tent.
It smells like shit here now?
It smells like shit in there. Oh, you smell it?
No, that's probably the plastic, because there's no shit in here. Where's your shit?
No, you remember we said you got some mud in there. That wasn't mud.
Oh,
that
why
was not mud.
So much space. Oh. Got a little mud on it.
Oh, baby.
Yo, I stepped on some shit.
Got that shit on my shoe?
Nah. Yeah, that was definitely shit.
Alright, y'all, so y'all see we got camp set up in the back. Now we finna go ahead and cook. Earlier we went to the grocery store, grabbed a few snacks, a little ingredients for us to cook. while we're here. So we gotta make some burgers and fries right now.
Some quick hand actions. Ooh, we in business. Got Bay pounding up the meat. I'm getting the grill ready. Just doing a little simple camping meal. I love this thing right here. We bought this thing before we even started camping. We just been cooking out the back of the truck. Ooh, y'all hear that? Let's eat. Juicy.
Welcome to our home, guys. This is our home for the night. Got
This
our
is
heater right
spacious.
there.
Like how long you think this is?
This is about
7 foot.
yeah, 7.
I got
7.
space.
Hold on, let me show y'all the view from the back.
And then we got the this the foyer when you first walk in the
Yeah.
house right here.
When you first
Look,
walk in
kick
the
your
house,
boots off.
take your shoes off, grab
You
you a
feel me?
snack, get some water, lay down.
Oh yeah, don't forget about the heater
Oh.
too. Got the little buddy heater. Ooh, it hooks up to the propane. Forgot to tell you that we're camping with no electricity for the first time ever.
We also don't have any service either.
Yeah, so we really off the grid right now. I feel like if something happened to us, hopefully these videos can still get out. There, y'all see that?
We have heat.
Woo! Oh yeah, and this shit right here is safe too. Just if y'all was worried, if it fall over, it'll automatically turn off. So we go.
Yeah, you're not gonna burn up.
We really got a house on wheels right now. That's what I feel like.
House on wheels.
Oh yes, that shit warm as fuck. Yo, it's cold as hell outside.
It is. It's
All right,
20
so you got your
degrees.
winter- All right, that's it for the night, guys. See y'all in the morning.
Babe, what time is it? You got your watch on?
5.
It's 5 o'clock in the morning. Freezing cold. The heater wasn't on the whole time.
Guys, I don't know if I could do this again.
It's freezing cold.
It is freezing. That was ass. We have no camera equipment charged. Everything is dead.
Everything is dead. We don't have no service on
Service.
our phones. My phone is dead.
And I'm fucking frozen.
Cold outside. The heater wasn't on all night.
Oh man, this is truly pushing ourselves. But I ain't gonna lie, y'all. I was finna break. I'm glad that this is back on. Yes. Like it feels instantly better in here with this shit on. Do you feel it yet?
Yeah, I feel it. 30 minutes later, the heat went out. Still not working. So, we better slip in our jackets.
Nah, we about to motherfucking leave.
Oh.
Oh. Wave our flag.
Yeah.
Our heater is not working.
Yeah. Y'all see that? You can see this. You can see the smoke on top. Heck no, it's cold in here. We packed up. We out, G's. We out. Y'all, we are not failures.
We are failures.
We are not failures. We made it to the morning, but it's too freaking cold in the tent. Our heater don't work, so we packed it up and we about to leave.
Yeah. And
Babe, what you gotta say about the experience?
I mean, honestly, disconnecting and not having no electricity or connection was pretty nice, but it was literally too cold.
Yes.
Like, I tried my best. I damn near barely even slept, just how cold it was. I was up the whole night.
It was pretty crisp outside. And also, it's humbling too.
Yeah.
Not having heat. You start to appreciate it.
Appreciate that, motherfucker. But yeah. So if you guys like this video, y'all make sure y'all stay tuned for our next video because we're gonna be showing y'all how we make money with the pickup truck.
Alright, we out. Oh, see y'all at the top.
Ain't about me average. I just pick up the phone, keep counting and adding, keep counting and stacking. I made the money appear like this shit was some magic. Stay down, big rage, and one day you might get the key to the Ashton. When I walk in the store, they gon' show me some love.